Instead of focusing on the share price this week, let's look at how options income gradually turns into ownership. NVDA dropped about 5% this week, and honestly, there wasn't much drama in my options positions. My covered call moved out of the money, and I simply rolled the put 1 week forward and collected another $188 in premium. That premium was almost enough to fully pay for another share of NVIDIA. With NVIDIA down almost 5% today, it is a great day to roll this $200 cash secured put. I'm going to send it straight out 7 days. And since I've already decided that $200 is a price at which I would be willing to be assigned, I'm just going to keep my same strike price for maximum income. A 1 week roll should bring me about $188, and it filled at 189. 187.68 came into my account, and this $187.68 premium gives me a 48.93% return on my $20,000 of collateral. And with this small pullback, I'm going to go ahead and add a share to the account. It filled at 207.64, so the share I just bought was not quite entirely paid for with the options premium, but pretty close. And that's how I added another share of NVIDIA to my account today and reduced my cash balance by less than $20. The share cost about $208. The options premium generated about $188. The difference came out of my cash balance. That's why I like to think of options premiums as more than just income. Premium is cash unless I use it to buy shares, and then it becomes ownership. If you'd like to learn more about how I use options to gradually build positions over time, visit my website. You'll find free and low-cost resources, including my trade log spreadsheet, books, courses, and videos that walk through the same process I use in these weekly trade updates. The goal isn't to get rich on one trade. The goal is to use options income to steadily increase ownership of productive assets over time. I went back to August 1st and summed up all of my expense and all of my income, and I'm dividing that by 178 shares to show that my average cost per share at this point is $114.17. So in spite of this pullback in the share price today, my profit is still $14,871 in the 10 months that I have been trading NVIDIA. And I will see you next week when we will make our next move on this $200 put.